Hey guys, welcome to Bard's Unboxing. Today we're going to be cracking open a Core 2021 Draft Booster Box. It was kind of a weird spot with call time. A lot of local game shops and stuff aren't actually getting the new call time boxes and such, but I figured just to give us a little bit of content, I hadn't cracked open a 2021 box yet, and they had one in stock for a reasonable price, so I figured I'd grab one of those. But inside the actual box here, there's actually a lot of really good ones in 2021. They had the Teferi, Master of Time, the Elder Gargaroth in green, big handful of cards that were definitely worth taking a peek at. So we're going to crack open a whole bunch of them here and see what we can get. There we go. Jumping right into our first pack. Basic Swamp, Animal Sanctuary, that's a cool card. The Obsessive Stitcher. Yep, and it looks like in these packs here, our commons are actually going to be in the back. So we got Token, and then there. So Animal Sanctuary is a pretty good pull, all in all. Jumping right into our second pack. Bloodfell Caves, the Dreadmaw, Necromentia, and our commons. Not a whole lot of spice there, but we're starting off pretty early. But yeah, any cool animal tribe will definitely love that Animal Sanctuary for sure. Awesome. If we could find as many of these little mountains here too. Primal Might, that's an awesome card. Yeah, but as many of those alternate art lands that we could find. Can never have too many of those. Have a deck full of just the alt art, cool fire lands, or stuff like that. One-Scarred Craig, cancel. Ooh, Magnara the Diplomat. Well, Magera, I think you say. Awesome. So our first mythic of the box so far. That's a good pull too. Jungle Hollow, See the Truth. Got the Codal. And our commons. The Pridemalkin, awesome, just common card. The creatures you having with +1 counters on them just having trample outright, it's awesome. Awesome Island. The Pursued Whale. Unleash Fury. Tempered Veteran. And our commons. Just our regular planes. Lost but Seeking, awesome. Play an additional 2 lands on each of your turns, great. Another Pridemalkin, and a Beast. Blossoming Sands, the Alpine Watchdog, Double Vision, A nice Garruk's Uprising. Cool alt art there. Not bad, not bad. Let's see him over here with our Animal Sanctuary. Glorious Anthem. Creatures you control have +1/+1. Not too bad. The Radiant Fountain. Cancel, of course. So only one mythic so far. But that's a pretty good mythic all in all, especially for like playing Commander, things like that. Saltwater Cliffs, Riddle Form, Teferi's Angel's Insight, a Meteorite, Liliana Steward with an alternate art. Not bad. So it's good to know our alternate arts can actually be, well, not alternate art, alternate frame, but cool to know that they can actually have just the fancy borders just inside any slot. Another awesome swamp. So now we've got the Mountain Island and Swamp. Sublime Epiphany. I know that's a pretty good one. Experimental Overload. And our commons. Teferi's Protege. Thorn Falls. Heroic Intervention. The Vessel. Crypt isn't bad. Neither's the Devotee. Thrill of Possibility. And the Griffin. The Dryad. Speaker of the Heavens. That's a cool card. Making Angels if you've got more life. Toss them in there though. We'll just keep our mythics out. Especially if we can land one of those awesome Planeswalker cards. Cool Construct token. Peer into the Abyss. Awesome pull. And plenty of commons. Second pack of our second stack. Surprised we haven't seen at least another mythic. Oh, and I spoke too soon. Fury in Annapation. Cool enchantment there. Cultivate, awesome. Revitalize. Chandra's Magmut. Or what? Magemut? Magmut? Jumping right into our last pack. So 2 mythics so far. Not too bad, especially with our Diplomat. Zombie token, Windscarred Crag. Another one. Another one? We got 3 lands in 1 pack. Okay. We got a Shrine. Not bad. Man, what an interesting pack, though, to have just 3 of those. Just little multicolor lands there. Interesting. Definitely haven't seen that before. Thornwood Falls, the Sanctum of All, awesome. Kind of like the little master enchantment there. Life Goes On. And Shock. Not too bad so far. As far as the As for the alternate borders, if we can get a couple more of those, that would be pretty great. Ooh, I saw that sneaking in there. Nice full art alternate Cultivate. Awesome, awesome. Now if we could get plenty of pulls, ooh, the Teferi's Protege in the alternate border. If we can get more cards like that, that'd be awesome. That is a great pull. Token, the Ghoul, the Spore Web Weaver. Not a whole lot. Looks like only little minuscule stuff so far, though. It was pretty cool to see the Baron make an approach, though. So there weren't a ton of legendary creatures in this set. But the fact that we got Magara, or what, Mangara as one of them is pretty great. Basic Forest, Frostbreath, the Stormwing Entity. So far, so good. But we're just a little over halfway for our box here. But man, that full art Cultivate just looks gorgeous. Looking at the Highlands, the Manticore, the Planeswalker Killer. There's another shrine there. Cool Gorehorn. I always thought it was interesting that cards like these guys here didn't have any text, but they had a big old fancy boxes if they wanted some. I feel like at that point they might have just made more art. Kind of like our Cultivate here. But jumping right in here. Transmogrify. Miscast. Got the Walking Corpse. It's just our commons. And Swift Response for the end. Cool Forest. The Ruined Halo. Bold Hound. The Indulging Patron. Ops, Finishing Blow. Not too bad, not too bad. For our last pack for the second row. Got the Blightfang. Ooh, Chandra Art of Fire for our next Mythic. That's a great one too. I believe the altar on that one giving you actual mana when you actually finish the ultimate. That's one of our Planeswalker cards too. I know there was an alternate border on that one too, which would just look freaking awesome. Various Aegis Insight, the awesome triangle at the bottom. But as I was saying, the awesome, cool borders that you can get on those Planeswalker cards definitely changing up their price a little bit too, as far as like the market goes. So 3 mythics so far, but we've definitely seen it before where the last couple of packs will always come in and kind of save the day. The Solemn, this Obsessive Stitcher, Feet of Resistance, Crash Through. We're just cruising right along in these packs here. Volcanic Salvo, another Shrine, another Liliana's Devotee. And the Sage. So 3 mythics, an awesome full art Cultivate, and the Archmage. Awesome Mountain. the Blood Glutton, Temple of Silence, and plenty of our uncommons and commons. No alt borders though. The Bloodfell Caves, Basri's Lieutenant, not bad. The Coil, the Growth, the Sword, the Dub, the Watchdog. Basri's Acolyte there with a cool alternate border. And the Vines. One-Scarred Crag. Ooh, there's a nice Solemn Simarcum. Our 2/2 with 4 colorless. An awesome alt border, just like our Cultivate here, but in foil nonetheless. I'll actually show you guys that. Wow, I've seen this card before with the alt art, but never before in the foil. That's awesome. Got the Spiteful for another legendary here. It's been a pretty solid pack. Garruk's Uprising, awesome. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Definitely wasn't expecting an alternate art and in foil, so that's great. The Griffin. Man, I just hate getting basic lands. Oh, the Elder Gargaroth, though. Heck yeah. So that'd be our 4th mythic of the box so far. So that's a great one, too, the Gargaroth. Basic Swamp, Pridemalkin in foil. We got the Shaman. Not a ton, not a ton. Man, really cool pulls though. 4 mythics. If we can get one more mythic, I'll say we walk out of here pretty good. Cool Swamp. 9 lives, love that card. See if we can crack through this last pack here real quick. I think we've got about 3 left. Brash Taunter in foil, awesome. The Tome. And now on to the next one. We got 2 packs left. Come on. One more mythic, that's all I want. Forest. Okay, another legendary. Treacherous Greed. The Witch's Cauldron. Silent Dart, not bad. Lunoir Visionary, awesome. But our very last pack of our box so far. Let's see what we got. The Highlands. Ghostly Pilfer. The Scythe. Yep, no more mythics on it though, but wasn't too bad of a box all in all. We ended up walking out with 4 mythics, 2 awesome actual alternate arts, having our full art Cultivate, our Solemns right there, and a solid 4 of our legendaries. I'm sure there probably were a little bit more in the bulk there, but those are the guys that really grabbed my eyes. So, thanks for watching, guys. It's been Bart's Unboxing. I'll see you next time.